What's this? This is the necklace I gifted to Aarti when I saw her for the first time. According to the tradition of a family, the eldest daughter-in-law of the family inherits this when she enters as a new bride. Uh, why did she give this necklace to you, Parvati?
You don't need to hear about that after so many years, Auntie. Actually, whatever Aarti had wished for when she had gifted this necklace isn't possible today. That's why I returned it to you. Uh, Listen, Uncle, I have something else to discuss with you.
Wait. First, let me understand this necklace thing. What was Aarti thinking when she had gifted you the necklace?
Let it be, Uncle. No need to discuss that.
No. We can't let that be. I need to understand. This is our family heirloom. Aarti wouldn't have given it to someone without any reason. Tell me, why did she give it to you?
Aarti had blessed Mithai with this necklace, wishing her to be the wife of Aarti's son Siddharth.
What? What are you saying?
Yes, Auntie. Mithai was a newborn then. These are long gone memories. All that doesn't have any value now. And besides, Sister Aarti is no more. So there's no point talking about these things. That's why I didn't want to raise this issue. But Uncle insisted, so I had to say. You please forget all this, Auntie. I have come to talk about something else. Uncle, uh, you know a lot of people. You have many people working for you as well. If I could find a nice boy for Mithai, I would have married her off. If I can marry off Mithai, I will die peacefully. And as for Gulti, Mithai will definitely take care of Gulti. What happened? Why are you both so silent? Oh, are you still thinking about what Aarti had promised me? No, it is absolutely not necessary to think about that. Actually, when Aarti had made the promise, even she didn't know that everything would change drastically. Today, there is no match between you and I. Mithai couldn't even complete her studies. If Mithai's dad was alive, she would be studying in a college today. It is all a big misfortune.
Don't worry so much, Parvati. Everything will be all right. You're a good human being, Parvati. Your mithai is also pure gold. Our Lord won't refuse people like you. Uh, we we'll find a way. Go back to your room now. Siddharth, what brings you here?
Grandpa, I had sent Aunt Parvati's reports to a senior doctor. He's the elder brother of one of the members of my office team. He actually wanted to see the patient once. Aunt might feel better if she gets proper treatment. You please inform Aunt Parvati about this, and the doctor won't charge anything now.
Siddharth, did you call up your colleague's brother for Parvati?
Why shouldn't I, Grandpa? I know your eldest son considers me selfish, but he's completely wrong about it.
Did you hear, Sushma? What Siddharth just said? Who can recognize this boy? I'm getting absolutely confused. Did Siddharth hear what Parvati shared with us?
I don't think so. Or else he would have reacted. Now please listen to what I am saying. Don't talk about this promise of marriage to anyone right now. If Shomrish comes to know, he will definitely make a big issue out of it.
But Aarti had made a promise to Parvati. Doesn't it have any value at all? Does marriage always happen between equals? Isn't there a saying, birth, death, and marriage always happen according to Lord's wish?
Whose marriage are you talking about, Dad?
Are you back? Won't you have dinner? Let me ask for your dinner. Lakshmi's mom! Lakshmi's mom! Serve them dinner!
Tell me whose marriage you're talking about.
We were talking about Nipa and Ratul. Resh was saying that he isn't getting the time to talk to you and seek your opinion, Samresh.
So, the head of the family has given his consent. So why is my opinion required? Is it really necessary? Anyway, tell Amaresh that Ratul is a very good boy. I don't have any objection.
Grandpa, here, 1 month's stock of medicine for you and Grandma.
You know, Shom, your mom used to say, Father, remember, you will see this boy will take care of you once he grows up. You have lived up to her expectations, my child. Your mom had high hopes for you, Shom. She wanted you to grow up into a great human being.
You know what, Grandpa? At times I think, why did Mamuni adopt me and bring me here from orphanage? Since the day I've lived with Mamuni, from that day Mamuni, she has only suffered and felt insulted. And a member of this family never considers me his son. Forget son. He doesn't even consider me a family member. Grandpa, if I wouldn't have come to this family, I would have become a laborer. I could have at least lived with some dignity. Mamuni was a good person. She didn't have a complicated heart.
Go to your room. You will fall sick if you worry so much.
Go. Aarti had blessed Mithai with this necklace, wishing her to be the wife of Aarti's son Siddharth.
Mom, what was Aunt Parvati saying? Did you really select someone for me by giving that necklace to her? Why, Mom? Marriage, relationships. I don't believe in all these things, Mom. What should I do now? Tell me. What should I do?
I think our relationship has gone quite far. I can't see you just as my friend anymore. I've fallen in love with you.
I don't know why everyone is trying to stop me. I don't believe in a particular thing, but everyone's pushing me to do that. Even you, Mom. Why, Mom? I really can't do this. I'm sorry, Mom. I just can't do this. You.
Can I ask you something, sir, please? Will you give me the answer? Because I know you will tell me the truth. Please tell me. Is my mother suffering from some serious illness? Please tell me. Everyone is hiding something from me. But I can understand.
I have only one thing to ask for. You may consider it as a request. Please don't let Mithai and Gulti know about my disease.
You go back to your room. It's quite late now. The disease can be cured if proper treatment is done. There's nothing to worry about, yeah? You don't be afraid. Now go.
Mr. Bittergut didn't say anything. Then why am I having a feeling that mother is hiding something from me? Something? What is mother hiding from me?
Mom? Hey, Mom? Mom?
Oh, you have come?
Mom,
I made the paste at home and brought it with me. How is the preparation going on over here? And where are
Everything
everyone?
is happening according to the time. Lakshmi's mom, come here. Listen, wash the grinding stone and make a paste of these pulses for the festival.
Okay. Hey, Lakshmi's mom. Where is your new assistant, Mithai? I can see her.
Mithai, you go, make the paste.
What happened, Mom? Is everything all right here?
A lot has happened actually, but I can't talk about it right now. Actually, Mithai's mom, Parvati, is quite unwell.
What are you saying?
Yes, but Mithai doesn't know anything clearly yet.
Sushma,
Yes,
Appa, you have come? I was saying this is a festival for the women. Men aren't allowed. Let me take Parvati to the senior doctor that Sid has suggested.
Dad, will her mother recover?
That's what I hope so. Let's see. I'll talk to Sid once he comes downstairs. Appa, ask Mithai and her mom to get ready fast. And listen, don't discuss this with anyone else.
Mom, what has happened, Mom? I'm not feeling good now. Mom, we could have postponed today's ritual.
I didn't know about this earlier. Got to know about this last night only. Listen, no one should know about this, okay? Or else Sulata will want to know the reason. And the news will spread. And if Shomrish comes to know, he will create a scene. I just don't like all that commotion. You continue with the preparations over here. Let me go. And ask Parvati to get ready. This time I thought Parvati is here this year. So there will be no problem. As it is, y'all were never interested in all this.
Mother, what is this? Why are you doing all this? Me and Gulti can do all this. Do you think you're fit? You're a patient. Patients don't do all this.
Hey,
Let me
listen. Don't call me a patient all the time. What has happened to me? Leave it. I will do all
Listen,
this.
Mother, no matter how much you and grandfather hide things, Mithai has the intelligence to understand that you are suffering from some serious illness. I need to take you to some expert doctor. Mr. Bittergat told me last night. I had gone to ask him. I had gone to know the truth.
Mithai, what did he say?
You know what? He said that if you get proper treatment, you will be all right. That means you must be suffering from some serious illness.
Wow. You are so intelligent, Mithai. To see a senior doctor, one has to suffer from a serious illness. Oh my. Auntie, why did you take the trouble? You should have called me.
Wake up. Grandmother is here. Wake up, Gulti.
Today you are having a festival at home, isn't it? I still remember. Back in Junai, Aarti used to invite me. I think you have the ritual of marrying 2 food items, right?
Today that festival is celebrated in our house.
Can I join in, Auntie?
Yes.
I really don't like being inside this room all the time. I could also help you a bit.
Mother? What are you saying? Grandmother, I will help you out.
Keep quiet and step aside. Did you see that, Auntie? Did you see? Is there any reason for her to be so strict with me? I am fine. I don't have any serious problem. Please tell this silly girl. She's worried all the time. And the most important thing is, if I remain confined in this room all the time, I will die anyway.
Oh, Mother. What are you saying, Mother? Why are you saying this?
Mithai, don't worry, my child.
Huh?
Your grandpa will take you and your mom to visit a senior doctor. But before that, you get ready and come to see the celebration. Parvati, you should also come. You will like it.
Mithai, you talk too much. You can't keep quiet.
Aunt Appa? Where is Grandma? She's coming. But where is our darling Nipa? Oh, there she is. What's the matter? You cooked the spicy potatoes yourself? Do you want to try making this today?
Nipa? No way.
No way. I am not into all this.
Aunt
Yes?
Appa, I somehow feel that you should go and see a psychiatrist.
Oh
and I
my.
need to see a heart specialist.
Huh?
Nipa will work with her manicured hands. Oh my. That thought alone
Will
gives
you
me
stop
goosebumps.
talking nonsense? What are you doing here? This is a festival of women.
Festival of women. What chores do you do that women do?
Sandy, I object. Why should chores be gender biased?
There you go. Woman power has awakened. Listen, you get away with telling me whatever you want. Go try this with Mr. Bittergod. I want to see the strength of woman power.
Sandy, what are you doing? Sid will start shouting if he hears. Just keep quiet, okay? Enough now.
What is this commotion all about? Stop chattering now. Hey, Lakshmi's mom, are you done making the paste? Don't make a fine paste.
No, auntie. Here, please check this.
Yes, this is fine. Listen, Sri and Nipa, go and remove the table.
Mom. Why are you asking them to remove the table? We will do the ritual on the table itself. Your knees will hurt if you sit on the ground. I'll sprinkle some holy water. Hey, just remove the things from the table. Don't remove the table.
Here comes Mithai. We were missing you. Come join us.
Listen, Auntie, I can help you with this. Meanwhile, you can make preparations for the wedding.
Mom, can Parvati do it? I mean,
Even if you ask her not to, my mother won't listen. Mother never listens to me, and her complaint is always that Mithai is the one at fault. You can ask to Gulti.
Parvati won't be able to do it.
No, Auntie. Hey, move aside. These rituals are being forgotten with each passing day. Very few people follow these rituals now.
Oppa,
yes?
just go and sprinkle the holy water.
Yes.
Hey, all of you all get up and join us.
Coming, wait.
Oppa, bring the conch from the puja room.
Yes.
Give it to me. Since you were so eager, so take this then.
Oh, what happened? Is the function over already? Hey, Ratul, come along with me. You wouldn't be able to see this abroad.
Rajiv, you were supposed to come in the evening, so why did you come now? So early in the morning.
You can come whenever you want, Rajiv. Ratul, come, have a seat.
He's already here and he will eventually sit down.
Please sit. Nipa, don't ignore him now and start clicking selfies.
Of course not.
Little brother,
Tell me,
isn't there a famous film song?
which song?
That one. Hints were
Hints were exchanged when the glasses met. I found the hope of life without much effort. Oh.
Quiet. My son-in-law is the most notorious. Shoo.
That's why he always keeps his darling mother happy. Say that too.
Rajiv, Nanda didn't come.
Cooking. She is cooking dinner now. Actually, she isn't that great at cooking. She isn't as efficient as my darling mother.
Oh my, just listen to him. Hey, Appa, what am I hearing? Your son-in-law is all praises for you. Then why do you say that you're not lucky?
Ratul? Listen, Ratul, please say something really nice to your to-be mother-in-law. She's jealous with me, you see? Praise her.